Hi everyone, how are you doing? Everything's fine, right? Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 3 of mathematics. We are talking about sorting. Now, what is sorting? Think about it. Sorting means finding out something as per our specification. For example, if we want to sort out 10 taka note from many notes of taka given, if we ask sort 10 taka note only, then we'll just pick the 10 taka note only. This is what sorting. Now here, sorting can be done in many ways, but here in this mathematics books, we will teach the student about the ascending order and the descending order. What is ascending? Ascending is smaller to bigger. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, numbers keep growing as you go to the down. This is what ascending number. And another way we can sort it, it is descending, means bigger number comes first and then the smaller number compared to that bigger one. That means 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how ascending and descending orders come. That means for the ascending order, we get the smaller number first and the bigger number later. And for the descending order, we get the higher number, the highest number first, then the lower number after on another. Now, the main objective of this lesson is to teach the student about sorting from ascending order or descending order. There are many other ways, but we will exclusively teach these two types of sorting in this mathematics class. Have you got that? Well, now look at the blackboard. The way I am teaching, you just follow the same in the classroom. Okay? Well, now let's get into the thing. Now, see, in the book, you can see this is the less to more sorting. This is the ascending order. That means the lower one comes first, then the bigger one, comparatively bigger one. This is how you say 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. See, this is how we get the ascending order. For the smaller number first and then the bigger number compared to this smaller number. This is how you keep teaching the ascending order. That is the given in the very first page of the book. This is called ascending. What is called ascending order. This is ascending. So this is ascending order. If we get something from the lower and then we get the bigger one, this is called ascending. Teach it to the student. Ascending order. So it is the increasing order. What is, can you see? First we get 1, then we get 2, then we get 3. That means the numbers keep increasing as you go downwards. This is how the ascending number forms. Now, if we are talking about the descending number, it comes to the opposite. We can sort it in the different way. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called 9. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is 7. See here, the bigger number comes first. The bigger number comes first, and then the smaller one second, then third, then we get 4. See, this is how it keeps going down. First we get the big number, then the lower big number, then the lower number, then the lower number. This is how it keeps going, and this whole thing is known as descending. This is the descending order. So this is what you will teach the student at the beginning. If we go for the bigger to the lower number, this is the descending order, and if we go to the lower number to the bigger number, this is the ascending order. Or in other words, we can say descending is the greater to smaller, or ascending is the smaller to greater. Now let's do the exercises given in number 1 in the chapter. Look at the very first one, 1a. The first exercise, it is saying that 2, 4, 1, 5, 7. We have given 5 numbers. How many numbers? 5 numbers. Now, if it is saying us to sort this number into ascending, then we will do 1. Then what is the bigger one than 1? But say it comes 2. Then what do we get? We get 4. The bigger number of 4 is 5. See, it's 5 less than 7, that's why it is here, and then we get 7. This is the ascending order if we are asked to do the ascending order like this. Now if we wanted to do it in the descending order like this one, then we would have got 7, because this is the bigger number, 7 here. Then after 7, what is the bigger number? 5. We get 5. Then we get 4. We get 2. And we get 1. See, this is the ascending order. We get the lower number first, then we go to the higher. And here we get the higher number first, and then we go to the lower number. Let's do the number B. What it is saying? It's saying 3, 1, 5, then we have 8, and then we have 7. Now ascending, if we want to do it in the ascending order, we will get 1, then after that 3 comes, because 5 is greater than 3, so this 3, then 5, rest of the 2 is greater than 5, so here 5, then see 7 and 8 remains. 7 is less than 8, so 7 comes here, and then 8. This is how if we are doing in the ascending order. Now if we are talking about the descending order, how would you do that? 8, 7, 5, 3, 1. See, this is very simple, and your job is to make sure the student can do this. Make sure student can do this math. That is your main objective. Now for your convenience, I am doing another one. Let's do number D. It's saying 4, 3, 5, 9, 7. Now do the ascending order. If we are doing the ascending order, we get the lowest one first. Which one is the lowest? This one, right? 3. Then which one is the lowest? This one. 4. Which one is the lowest? Then this one. Which one is the lowest now? This one. Which one is the lowest? Okay, we have this. Now, if we are doing the descending order, how we do that? Let's pick the biggest one first. 9, 7, 5, 4, 3. It's just the reverse version of ascending. See, this is how you do it. I am leaving the rest of the examples. You solve rest of the example, and then you tell the student to do it. First you solve this before you go to the class. Then you ask the student to do it. Show the student how to do it. Give them some examples. For example, do first 3 for the students and then ask them to do the rest. And if they cannot do it, you help them. Now, next we're going to do exercise number 2. See what it is saying? What numbers come in between? It's saying what numbers come in between. So the very first thing, 5-7. Look at this. We have 5 first, then we have this number. We need to find out this number, and then we have 7. Which order it is following? It is following ascending order, right? Now if it is ascending, what comes after 5? There is 7 and there is 5. We get 6 here. See, this is how you teach it to the student. Of course, you use your native language. Let's do another one. 7-9. This one is also ascending, right? So 7, 9. It is going to the greater level. So what comes after 7? 8. Now let's do another one. 78-80. After 78 we get 80. It's also going to the upwards. That means it is an ascending order. So what comes after 78? We get 79. This is how you are supposed to make sure the students do the examples. You explain it like this, because look at this. This is the smaller number and there is a bigger number. So of course in between we will get another bigger number which is bigger than this one. That's how you get the number 8. Now I am giving all the answers to these questions. You just make sure you follow it. 5, 6, 7. Then we get 0, 1, 2. Then we get 4, 5, 6. Then we get 7, 8, 9. Then we get 29, 30, 31. Then we get 78, 79, 80, 34, 35, 36, 89, 90, 91. So this is the examples or the answers of number 2. Now look at the next one. What numbers come after after? What number come after? So here look at this word after, means after it. What is the next number to this one? After means next. Look at this. 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 9? It's 10. What comes after 199? Comes 200, right? What comes after 149? We get 150. This is how you tell them. So if it is saying after, that means what is after this. If it is say before, what did we do? We get 3, then we'll get 2. What comes before 3? 2 comes before 3. That's how you do it, after or before. After means the next number. Before means the previous number. This is what you just make sure the students learn. In the number 4, it's saying what number comes before. Here look at this, dash 5. So 5, what was before 5? We had 4. 11, what we have before 11? It is 10. What do we have before 109? We get 108. What do we have before 203? The past number or the previous number of 203 is 202. This is how you do the exercise number 4. Make sure you teach the student before means the previous number. So you teach them this particular keyword before and after. Alright, let's go to the last exercise. Here we are talking about arrange this number in order. It is talking about to arrange in ascending or in descending order. Now first let us do the ascending. Number 5, yes. So what is the smallest number here? 1. Then we get, what's the lower number? 4. What's the next one? No, we have 3. Then we have 4. 1, 3, 4. Then we have 6. Then we have 8. Then no, we have 10. Then we have 11. We have 12. We have 13. We have 14. We have 15. Then we have 18. We have 20. Then we have, well, the main idea is you just cut the number you are picking. Then we have 21, 21, 22, 22. Then let us see if we have 23. We don't have 23 here. We have 25. Do we have a 24? No, we don't see any 24. So let's just put 25 here. Then we have 26. Then we have 27. Do we have a 28? Let's just see. We don't have any 28 here. Do we have a 29? We don't have a 20. We have a 29. Then we have a 30. Do we have a 31? Yeah, we have a 31. Do we have a 32? Let's just focus. 2. We have a 32. Then do we have a 33? We have a 33. Do we have a 34? No, we don't have a 34. Do we have a 35? No, we don't have a 35. We have a 36. Do we have a 37? No, we don't have a 37. Do we have a 38? No, but we have a 39. Do we have a 40? We have a 40. Then do we have a 41? We have a 41. We don't have a 42, but we have a 43. We have a 43. Then we have 44. Then we have 45. We have 45. Then we have 46. We have 47. There will be a 48. We cannot see a 49. We can see 50. Then we have 60. Then we have 80. Then we have 99. Now here is your ascending order. You have exhausted all the numbers. If you do the descending order, you just go through the reverse. Like 99 comes first, then you just go backwards and you will get the descending order. This is what you are supposed to teach the students. If the students have learned it, they can be able to do it. That's the end of this class. We will come with the comparison in the next class. Till then, bye bye.